It's been a while since we've done anything truck related here, but I got this oil catch can in this nice like polished silver. It's got like this mesh that you can sit at the bottom, which honestly I probably will not use. Some pretty cheap, they call it fuel hose. This feels like a super cheap like dollar store airline, and then some fittings as well as some like hose clamps. I think what I'll end up doing is either getting something from AutoZone that's an actual fuel line, or just ordering some of that super cool braided line that goes with like AN fittings. It mounts on the back like here. I'll have to figure out where it's going. But the cool part is it's got a little dipstick, so if you don't want to unscrew it to see how much it's collecting, it's got a pretty nice dipstick. I have heard that people break these things off, and yeah, it does feel kind of cheap, but as long as you line it up and just kind of get it finger tight, I don't think I'll ever have a problem with it. So we had to go get some hardware to where we're gonna mount this and these extra little sleeves. And then we got some fuel line that's way longer than this and the actual right size, and we're gonna make it work somehow. And we've got a good place to mount this, so we'll just run it right here. Catch can mounted. It's the shiniest thing under this thing. We'll get one end of this plugged in, and then it's, yeah, we might have to trim it. Probably gonna want to trim it because that'll run here, and then the other one will just run directly into the back of the intake. Actually, hold up. This piece will sit on top of the TBI unit. It'll plug into there, set on top, and then be rerouted here. So then it'll come in from the valve cover and then back out to intake manifold, or I guess to the throttle body unit.
This is what we're gonna use.
We cut this, shorten this, so this will stick in like this far, and then we'll slide the hose over top of this to make it look like it's just coming directly out of the valve cover. Oops. Yeah, if we can just slide that in like as much as possible, I guess. That might be good, because it might, hold on, it sticks in a little bit further, remember?
Oh yeah, so the washing plate will sit in here.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stuff that in there.
Because I want it to go down as far as it can.
Whoa, look at that shit. Perfect.
Perfect. And then yeah, we'll just cut this to size.
Cut it on here.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Intake back on. We've got one running to the back of the throttle body unit, and the valve cover, like we saw, plumbed into our catch can. Nice and subtle, but it's cool to have there.